Did you know that you can also use a ceiling fan to warm up a room when it's cold or in the winter? And I'll show you exactly how and why that works. Now, of course, everyone knows that you use a ceiling fan to cool, and the reason is if you look at the slant of the blades of a ceiling fan, they're arched in a diagonal direction. And so what happens is when the fan goes in a counterclockwise direction, it's actually blowing air onto the ground. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it on here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you can see, being that those blades are going in a diagonal direction, it's going and it's slanting towards the air. That's the direction because it's going counterclockwise. Alright, now let's go ahead and reverse it, and you just find the little reverse button, which is right there. So reach up here and we'll reverse it. And we go ahead and slow it down here. Now it's going the opposite direction, it's going clockwise, and those blades now are actually going and driving air up. So what's happening is the air, being that it's going now in a counterclockwise direction, is actually like shoveling air in upward direction. So all the air is gradually migrating down to the ground and pulling air up. So ultimately what it's doing, it's kind of like a vacuum. It's actually lifting the existing cold air up off the ground and raising it up. Now don't get me wrong, it's not the ideal way to warm up a room, but it definitely helps. Alright, thanks for watching.